Okay, great. So we are ready to go now with doing the next part of this, which is simple locks. And this question gets asked a lot. So we have a tour laid out. We've got these locations, but you don't want to just put all three of them on the map, for a user like we have right now. And instead, we want to make it so that stop one only appears after you've seen, or stop two only appears after you've seen stop one, and stop three only appears after you've seen stop two, and this thing kind of unfolds for your player. So to do that, we're going to use locks. And this should make sense mostly, but maybe you haven't even worked with locks in this, what I'd consider more simple way. So common use case, a tour, and let me show you how to set up the locks. So either from scenes or locations, either would be fine. We get access to the locks that exist for this. So kind of take your pick, however you want to think about it. Stop one, we want to appear right away. So we don't want to have any locks at all. Stop two, on the other hand, we want to appear after we've done stop one. So we need a lock. So let's click the locks button. And when you come into the locks editor, you really just get this plus button to set things up. And I want to just call your attention, a little prequel to what we're going to be doing next, is that when you hit plus, you can hit plus for more things. And there's a different kind of plus here. And that's all the stuff we're going to talk about in the next lesson. But for this one, we just hit that big plus, and this is all we need. So we pick from this list, and we don't have at least or less than, and instead what we want to measure is that the player has already and then viewed a plaque, and the plaque that they viewed is stop one. And that's really it. We're saying stop two is available after they've viewed stop one. And then stop three will be available after they have already viewed plaque stop two. And that should kind of lay out the structure. So two is available after one, three is available after two. And you might have noticed over here on my phone that three went away, but two didn't. And that's because when I was demoing earlier, I actually showed you visiting stop one. So my player has seen stop one already. But I'm going to reset just to kind of keep it tidy. So I'm going to go in here and hit reset. And that's going to reset my progress in the game. And we'll see it the way a new player would. OK, so we load the game. And so far, so good. I mean, only stop one exists. So let's imagine I walk over there, and I launch stop one, and I see some stuff. I continue, and right there, just like we hoped, stop two unlocked in that moment. And I go to stop two. I didn't even put a description in here. I hit continue, and there we have it, stop three unlocked. So that's a pretty common structure that you might want to use using simple locks. It's just each thing has one lock on it for the thing before it. So let's stop there, and then we'll come back in the final video to find out how to make advanced locks.